as they're all getting set, going into their respected boxes. Standing Horse having a little bit of fun with his pony as they start making their way to the line. We're waiting on Gabe on the backside, I believe. Fast Little Puppy in the red. Mayo Distum up in the red. Whitefish Warriors in the blue and the orange. In the turquoise we have Standing Horse. As we're getting set here for race number 1, ladies and gentlemen, these horses, equine athletes, these warriors. As the horn sounds, we got a little bit of complacency on the front side, taking that charge off the front end. That's going to be Fast Little Puppy. Caden Stanley taking the charge on the front side as he rounds first corner. Taking that chase behind Caden Stanley. That's going to be Solo Mission in third. That's Whitefish Warriors in second. Kathy Whitefish going behind a few lengths back. Standing Horse really on the back, has to gain some ground, but still Mayo Distum is on the front side from Poundmaker in the red. Behind them is another Poundmaker team. Solo Mission, Courage Antoine. 1 and 2, Poundmaker. Behind them we have the Whitefish Warriors. Cassie Watney in third place. Coming from the back, Standing Horse making some ground. Pulling up on Mayo Distum, coming here, making their first exchange. Courage Antoine gets to the box first. Resurrects. Joseph Jackson is on. Joseph Jackson coming out in the red. That's Jump and Go. Whitefish Warriors making that chase. Cassie Watney, as they're having a little trouble coming out here. We got Solo Mission making that charge on third place as he's battling against Standing Horse Relay. Mac Wahobin. Mac Wahobin's on the front side there. On the back end is Mayo Distum. Tyrone Jackson giving that chase on the Buffalo backstretch. The Whitefish Warriors, Cassie Watney. Solo Mission in the gray on the backside. Mayo Distum giving that chase as well on the back end. Standing Horse Relay had a little bit of trouble making that exchange, but they're coming around. As they come around the corner of number 4, they see the Medicine Line. As they come on in, that's Joseph Jackson from the Vintage Right. Riding here for Fast Little Puppy as it comes in to meet the speed. Mayo Distum is off. Mayo Distum, his horse is starting to give him a little bit of trouble. Cassie Watney is on the inside as he's looking to make his mount. Solo Mission gets on today and they're gone. Up on the inside, we got Fast Little Puppy trying to make their mount. As they make their mount, Fast Little Puppy makes their charge on the outside. But we go back to Standing Horse. Standing Horse is finally to come on in, making his exchange. But way up on the backside, we have a race for second as they start to put some pressure on the backside. That's Solo Mission making that charge and making that move. On the inside, Cassie Watney holding on. At the back end, Joseph Jackson running out of gas. But here we got Standing Horse making their way on out as they come around the third.
Come on.
Still on the front end. Come on, guys. Come on, guys. Solo Mission, Courage.
Come on.
Going head to head with Mayo Distum.
Come on, guys.
Coming in second, Whitefish Warriors. Solo Mission taking that one down. Coming in, Joseph Jackson with Mayo Distum up. We got the Standing Horse Relay still on the back. Fast Little Puppy coming in the post 4. We leave no warrior behind. On the backside, Mac Wahobin, Mosquito, Grizzly, Bearhead, Cleanman, First Nation in the turquoise. Coming in with a finish, Standing Horse Relay. That's your heat number 1.
Tanggol game dito.